Hi, this is Colin again here, and I'll be going over how to embed a CloudTables into a .NET application today. With .NET, you've got several core UIs. You've got Razor, you've got MVC, and Blazor. So today I'll be demonstrating Razor because that's the simplest one to get going. So to start, we need to create the web app. So that's as simple as saying .NET new web app, and then you give the name. So we'll call ours CloudTables. And then we restart code. I'm using VS Code here to use this new web app that we just created. Because we're using the CloudTables API to do this, we need to include the CloudTables API package. So that's the case of saying .NET add package, CloudTables API. Okay, now we'll fire the package app. So that's the case of .NET. Oops. .NET watch run -urls https localhost. I will shove it out of the way on port 5001. So we'll demonstrate how we'll be using tokens. Tokens gives you extra security, so it stops someone from sniffing and then accessing the page, because that token is specific to a single session. You can run serverless as well, which may be fine if you've got a small company and it's on the intranet, because then anybody can access that page, but you wouldn't want that on the broader internet, because then your data can just be mangled by anyone. So this is the default page that it loads up. So we'll go to the CloudTables application. These are the API keys that you get given automatically. You get one for read-write, one for read-only. You can create more to give finer granularity to the security, but for most people, these two would be fine. So we're going to embed the standard data set that we tend to use in these demonstrations, the person data set. Go to the embed page. This is the serverless instructions there that I just mentioned, but we'll be using the .NET Razor. So first of all, we need to create the API handle and then call that to get the token. So copy this to the clipboard. You can choose here whether you want the read-only API key or the read-write key. By default, it gives you the read-write API key. So go back to VS Code. Go to our demo page we just created, the index page. Get rid of the hello stuff and change that to be a header for CloudTables. And then we'll just paste in that code we got from the CloudTables page. So this gives us the token, which we then use to create the script tag. So the token gets placed into there. We'll paste that in as well. So on your own application, you would probably have some login page already, which you would then tie in to this client ID, client name, and then you determine what level of security that user would have. For the purposes of this demo, we're just going to have this single sign-on. We'll save this, and because we did a watch on the run, it's going to rebuild the application. Go back to our page. Now you see the CloudTables embedded on that page. So it's very, very straightforward, as easy as this. With the code as well, you can also deploy it to Azure. So it's straightforward, just deploy to web app. And if you've got a Azure configuration, then that would just load it up, and then that'll be accessible by anybody on the internet. I hope that was useful. And if you have any questions, please do let us know with email or on the chat, and I'll do another video soon. Thank you for your time.